Benet Ramsey. Wow. Fuck! Ramson. Oh, beaten. That's perfect. Kind. Huh? The fuck is this? I'm done with this. I don't even know what the hell's happening anymore. I'm homesick! I wonder how often I can just say, like, some variant of frozen or cold for it to work here. I'll be found lost out in the youth! How about this? Smart. There you go. Now you can find it. Nope. How about... young? No. How about fat? Just so you don't have everything going for you. Okay, how about a map? It helps to have a map. Apparently the Fountain of Youth is just on any map. And the alligator doesn't give a shit about him. I want to see him unborn. Why isn't he unborn? A friendly alligator. But I can't fly! Can't even ride this penguin. Get my spring boots back. Those are pretty awesome. Deep! Deep! I don't know what happened to him. Travelers, come see with that budget and what is it? I guess I'm the genie then, huh? I mean, I guess that's actually pretty apt. I mean, I am basically a genie. It's all time here. Okay, that's all. The three of us still fine. And I did this so. Good sized. Three things to sell, you say? Your wish is my command. Your soul. Yuppie. Okay, apparently a yuppie soul was good enough. Expensive feet. No? Okay, how about a hidden blade? Since, you know, it's Altair and all. What the actual fuck? Okay, how about a golden statuesque dad? It's like solid gold, dude! Come on! Oh, what is this merchant? Is this a regular merchant? Like a wine. How about wine? Are you kidding me? What a wife. How about spices? Apparently you can't get that shit anywhere else. And how about pearls? Okay, a pearl. Singular pearl. There you go. What's the vampire bat doing over here? Grant me 3 wishes to make the desert more bearable. How about Sunbat? Santa. Okay, vampires don't like Santa, and Santa doesn't seem to like vampires much. Okay. Umbrella. And how about a cursed bottle? Whoa! I can't spell lotion. You're really pale. I figured you could use the suntan. Okay, fine. Sunscreen then. Cursed? Sunscreen. I like how this fucking vampire came all the way out here to get shit to make being out here less unpleasant. How about a hat? A devilish hat! What the hell? What? I want to be more funny! Please grant me 3 wishes! How about funny? No? Okay. Shoe toy. Shoe toy. A chic toy. Okay. How about a balloon? Clowns are hilarious with balloons. You broke the balloon! Rubber chicken. Chicken. That's just hilarious, yo. How about a carrot? Top. Yeah, I didn't think Carrot Top was funny either. Okay, how about a mask? A fun mask. We are anonymous. We got fun. Okay, fuck it. How about funny? Bird. You dicking me right now? Okay, how about... meat. This guy's really choosy. Fuck! I don't even know what to do. How about a pie? Haha! The pie worked! How about a... how about a Black Knight? You can do the whole flesh wound bit and... wow, ungrateful. Monty Python's not good enough for this guy. I wonder if he's gonna turn on the fanged rabbit, too. Fanged rabbit. Okay. Whoopee! Cushion. Oh, the knight has the cushion. Not a lot of room for imagination there. I wish there could be like a video game where you actually just were a genie. And you could basically just, like got wishes all day and very carefully tried to give them the worst possible thing that still kind of fits their wish. Which, I mean, I guess this is to an extent. Why is the alligator tiny? Oh, it's young, I guess. Yggdrasil, huh? Okay, Leprechaun wants something. I'm perplexed to see the end of the rainbow! Yes, something is missing! Oh, that poor moth. Gold! Marvelous, marvelous gold! These snakes look angry! I need to charm them somehow. How about a compact? Put some makeup on. Make yourself look nice and pretty. And charm them. It's like, oh, what a lovely snake. I love how long and scaly your thorax is. I'd love to feel you slithering around me. No? Okay, how about a fucking flute? So now I am disappointed. Big four? I'm certain this will work. I don't know what I was trying to do there. Whatever. It's a jaguar. It's the same damn model as a jaguar. Jaguar. Horchata. Basically the same thing. Horchata! Warm vomit! Oh shit, I didn't mean to go that way. Crap, go back, go back! Escape! Aha! Oh, what the fuck? This isn't the same place! How the hell does that work? Where was I? No? No? Oh, where the actual fuck was I? Oh, I was this one. Yeah. Wasn't done yet, damn it! Probably something up in the sky, right? Let's go. Sco, 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 sco. Come with me, and you'll be in a world of pure imagination. That's the Aladdin song, right? I never watched any Disney movies because I'm not a dumbass. Alright, let's go to the next one. Ah, it's a volcano! That volcano? I'm sorry, it's a that volcano then. Yes, let's go to the that volcano. That's some obscene. That's some obscene. Is that a magma cube? Some Minecrafty shit here. I apparently know one sort of convection waves. Fuck. Titan. Not even a dog. This is a behemoth. How about a femur? Take your fucking time, behemoth. Release the next Battle Block Theater. This was a terrible vacation spot. Let me ward off the dehydration. Oh yeah, I made the ladies wet. Let's see what we got here. Ward off the four horsemen of the apocalypse. I can totally do that. Totes. I can totes McDudes. That. Dr. Dad. Doctoral Dad. Ha! Defeated by Dad. Ew. Ah, it's war. Fuck you, War. You sucked anyway. You were easily the worst Darksiders character. Famine. Feed the natives, okay. This is just to prove a point that so much of this game can be undone by just using the right adjectives. How about... My god. Dad MVP. Thanks, Dad! I knew you could do it! Always did it bail me out. Prison. Hold on, guys. I got a comment here. I got a fucking Twitch message. Angular Harass 81. You should use Get richer mine. It could take a good place in your banner list, lol. Right, because someone who streams about once every 2 fucking weeks for like 2 hours at a time knows what the fuck I don't even know what the fuck a banner list is! Like, what the fuck? Seriously, spam? Like, what the fuck? I don't even know what the fuck? It's a cold source of power. It's like onto a freeze ray. Cold fusion. Do I not know how to spell fusion? Do I really know how to spell fusion? I guess, no, I must be spelling it right. Maybe it's just not a thing. I have no idea. Let's get Ice Cube in here. Maybe he can help us. That's not what I meant! I guess Ice Cube's busy again. I can now play as Maxwell's brother, Emo. Bitch just froze my fucking carpet! There you go. It's like descending by itself, though, now. Fucking ruined my carpet. I need to step out my country for egg alone! How about Dad? Ah, boy, Dad. Just hatched. Oh. I can see you've moved on, Dad. Got a new kid to take care of now. It's a cannibal. I knew it! Okay, let's see if this will work. I'm not sure, it might not work. Although it always does. What? What? Anyone to contain it for me. Okay. Containment, Dad. Contain, Dad. Okay. How about a fucking box? What? Did I seriously just put the box inside Dad's ass? Like, what the hell was that? How about a jar? You ate it? Okay, you know what? I don't blame you. I don't fucking. I don't know. I don't want to go in there. Help save the village from a volcano. It's about to erupt. Why would you build your village in a volcano? Like, we're not even on the edge of a volcano, we're literally in a volcano. There's like volcano fucking walls all over the place. Those are some serious volcano walls. I recognize volcano walls when I see volcano walls. Maybe the volcano's like their girlfriend or something. I shouldn't judge. You're right. Maybe they're volcano-sexual. Because they don't fit into my heteronormative, cisgendered, fucking non-changeling, whatever the fuck they're called. I don't fucking know. I don't spend any time on Tumblr because I'm not a fucking pussy. The volcano is going to erupt! Help save Shannon's village by sacrificing all just a fucking okay. How about I spelled goat wrong? There you go, easy enough. I got burned faster, be considerate. Maybe simple with the better technology based on successes. How about a phone? How about Tumblr? Tinder. Not Tumblr. That worked? Okay. Okay, how about Tech Dad? Oh my god. Sound like the Lavender Town theme for a second there. The volcano keeps rising. Perhaps the volcano goddess was a more military sacrifice. Volcano god's greedy then. Golden Dad. Okay, gold. Maybe you should be using this time to just like leave. This isn't gonna stop. Okay, let's be the bed. You can love and to restore right to mate with which she'll be happy. That's how it should have been written. It shouldn't have been will be happy with. It should have been with which she'll be happy, because with is a preposition, and in the English language you don't end a sentence with a preposition. But I digress. Wow. Oh, they're banging! They're banging! Except usually when I'm banging, the fluid rises. Do 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 boo. Do 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 boo boo. Do 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 boo boo. It didn't work. How about say halt? It's a phoenix! You're adorable, I want you. Help me temper this magic sword! How about a magic hammer? Derpa derpa doo! Okay. Free us from the cockatrices! Fucking petrify dying! I don't know why I tried that immediately, but I guess it worked. Fucking Mario. All danger is removed from this game when everything in the world is invincible. Destructible! Bomb! That didn't seem to work. I think I just put an object on it then. See you, Dad. Mosh preach though, bro. What else we got going on in here? Oh, you want something? My crown is lost in the volcano! How would a Crusader have a crown? Just open up a portal. Apparently he's a fucking god king Crusader. What the fuck? Dad, why are you I don't even, I'm not gonna ask. That Frodo? It most certainly is. Oh, what else is there in this volcano? Okay, how about this? Rememberifying radium. Good thing I watched Lord of the Rings. It just broke immediately. No, no, we're not having this. Not with not this cop out. No, no, we're not doing this. Yeah, no cop out bullshit here. Oh yeah, and also while we're at it, let's do some retconning here. Well, he's invincible. Let's get rid of that first of all. Okay. Retcon this motherfucker. There you go. Tower should have ended! Go back to Dilly's farm. Oh, whoa, it's over here, isn't it? Yeah. Let's go back to Dillweed! Dillweed. This song kind of sounds like Promise from Silent Hill. You have an astronaut brother too? Holy shit, this family's awesome. Yeah, I'm fine, I won't die in the vacuum of space. That's the last island. The next time on Scribblenauts, we'll finish this whole thing off. We've got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like 8 things left. That's good for another video, another stream. I keep going, but I seem to be having some fucking frame dropping issues. I'm not sure what that's about. But yeah, it's been fun. Hopefully all of you enjoyed. The people on YouTube, because no one showed up to the stream. But no one ever does. And I want fucking people watching. Fuck everyone. This fuck the police. Compton, yo. Fucking with my finger on the trigger, yo. Bang, bang, homie.